Hi everyone, this is just going to be a quick video to look at the HOOQ beta application. Now if you don't know HOOQ, you're probably not in the Philippines. It's a video on demand service. You can watch movies, TV shows, very similar to Netflix but specific to the Philippines and a few other countries that they operate in. Now this new application is still a beta, so there might still be some issues and it's only available on Android at the moment, but I've been testing it out and I really do prefer it over the old one. When you open it up, it looks a bit like Twitter. You can see their recommendations, which is quite good because sometimes you're sitting there thinking, what should I watch? And if there's already some recommendations on there, it kind of makes it a bit easier for you. So kind of looks a bit like Twitter. If you go to browse, you can get your normal categories like drama, comedy, romance. Let's go to comedy. And I want to show you something that's actually really cool aside from the layout changes. Now let me start by saying I really like the layout changes because the old one was a little bit dark, and when I opened the app or the website I always felt like, yeah, they've got good content and the system works okay, but I just didn't like the dark design. It just kind of put me off it. Anyway, this new one's much brighter, everything's easier to see. I think the layout's better. What should we watch? Let's try, I need to avoid copyright issues, but anyway, let's just go for Sister Act. I'm only going to play a few seconds at a time. And just like you'd expect, the movie starts playing. You can put it in portrait mode or you can have it in landscape mode. Nothing new there, pretty much the same as every video on demand app. But here's an example of one of the new features. Now by the way, ignore the fact if it's sort of jumping around a bit. You can see I don't have a very stable connection right now. I'm actually using mobile data through a pocket Wi-Fi, so don't worry about any connection issues. But if we go to settings, you can see we've got the same settings as before with subtitles. Now they don't have any available for this video, or it's not worked into the app yet. Audio track, I think that would be when you want to change the language, quality, low, high, medium, and then it gives you some network details and the size of the video. So it's quite nice actually to know the size of the video. Now here's the really cool thing. If I press back, the video continues playing in this small window here, which I can move around. You see now it's up here, it's here, and then I can continue browsing for different content. So that's something I really like. It reminds me of the window in window option that's now built into iOS on iPads and things like that. But when you exit the app, like if I go home, you'll see the screen completely disappeared. So what would be really cool is even when you leave HOOQ, if the video could keep playing in this little pop-up window, that would be really awesome. So if you're a HOOQ user, you see what I did there? I just dragged it to that little X and it closed the video. So if you're a HOOQ user and you're interested in this, you can find the beta on the Android App Store. It's not yet available on iPhone. The thing is, this is still a beta, so expect some issues. I had some, video playback errors and a few authentication errors. Nothing major, but it's a beta, so you're going to expect a few issues here and there. But I really do like this new layout. So yeah, I just thought I'd share it here on the channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.